I'm sorry you're in the cage today. Alex is not here. Your brother's not here. You're being held hostage. Yo, no lie, literally the other day, Kona was at the top of this fence. He got his rear little paws and started climbing on all of these bars, and he got all the way to the top. That was sketchy. This guy's learning to be a little bit of a climber, and I'm not okay with that. Stop it. Look, look. I don't know if you saw that, but his rear foot literally just got on that edge, and he was about to make his climb, but he didn't do it this time. Hello, buddy. But, oh my God, every time I turn the camera, he's literally climbing the thing. I'm gonna sit here and finish this video. Hopefully he falls asleep, and then I'll show you guys what's happening outside in the shop today. Can you stop behaving, Cones? Everything is done, everything is ready, the video is now live. Let's kind of slowly start the day. We're off to a late start, a slow start, but let's get to it, boys. So Mickey is actually trying to save his paint on his RX-7 today. This paint has seen its days. You can even see it in the camera. Like, what is this?
Like 5-stage paint treatment here. We're on stage 2.
Yeah, nah.
Just cutting it up.
Yeah, oh, dude. Oh, nice.
Yeah, I still want to ram you into your door.
Nice,
it phase
mate.
on my car, but it phases on yours.
You want to introduce yourself to the vlog?
Sure, my name is Daniel. I'm from South Orange County, up in the Mission Viejo area. I've been a subscriber for, God, when you were doing paintball number.
My man. My
and
man.
BMW. I actually ended up getting a BRZ because of your channel.
Does this mean the white one out there is yours?
That's exactly mine. So same model year and everything.
My man.
The video where you guys brought this back, and
Yeah.
I saw Mickey mention that he wanted to possibly see what he could do with the original paint instead of just going full repaint. I figured, might as well reach out. I do paint correction as a hobby, but I've been doing it for a few years. Done a ton of cars. Send him some videos, send him a DM, and he's like, come on down, show me what you got.
Yeah, I will say, like, all jokes aside, this hood is looking a lot better from what it was, and you just started.
I mean, when you first picked it up, you could hear the paint, and now it's smooth.
Much smoother now.
And you got all the metal particulate out of the paint.
You have a long way to go, but good luck.
You can follow me on Instagram. I'll be posting some stories and other pictures of the car as I work on it at DanielB94.
Sweet, and they cleaned up the interior quite a bit, and it looks much better.
You can drool on this all you want. We're gonna go have a look at this now. Too bad you didn't get one.
I have food on the way, actually. We Uber Eats every single day, and if any of you are trying to save money on Uber Eats, use this code right here and you can save yourself $5 off Uber Eats. Speaking of those discount codes, if you want to come to New York and say what's up, we're gonna be at New York AutoCon. By the time you guys are watching this, it's Tuesday, so that means in 4 days, I'm gonna be in New York. So if you're anywhere near that area, I wanna see all of us shut down that event. Seriously, I wanna shut down that event. When we were in LA, you guys show up to play. In New York, I expect nothing less. Followed by New York, the next weekend we're gonna be in Seattle, and for Seattle we're actually bringing out this BRZ, and it's gonna have the new turbo kit, and it's gonna be dialed ready to go. So just that alone, I expect to hear a lot of you guys coming out from Seattle. I've never been to that area, so I want to see you guys show up. And one more time for self-promotion, we are less than 40,000 subscribers away from 1 million. 1 million. So if you're watching this video and you are not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Help me out, get us to 1 million subs, because when we hit 1 million subs, something's gonna happen. Can't tell you what, but something's gonna happen.
New York, where you at?
So you might wanna hit that subscribe button. It's gonna be a slow transition, but today, oh, the lighting just got so fucked up. I'm so sorry.
It's not the lighting, it's the camera.
No, it's totally screwed. Well, there you go. They're gonna start painting the walls black. So I'm not gonna tell you what the whole scheme is gonna be, but this whole wall right here is gonna be painted black by tomorrow. So in tomorrow's vlog, the check back, that shot is gonna look a lot different because that wall is gonna be completely black. I'm very excited about that. Oh yeah, and that's why the shop is in shambles right now. If you're looking around, you're like, Teach, every day I look, it's getting worse and worse and worse. I think it's my Uber Eats.
Dude, huge fan.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, that's awesome, man. Want to say what's up to the vlog? What's your name?
Samuel.
Nice to meet you, dude. Wait, did you see it and you're like, wait, what?
Yeah, I sent a screenshot to all my friends. People are freaking out right now.
Take it easy, man. No, man, back up in here. Back up. Yeah. So contrary to popular belief, Calvin actually had a spoiler, wing, whatever you want to call it, for this car. But Premium literally had it at their shop and we haven't retrieved it yet. Backing up, backing up, backing up. While we were here this morning, he did that trip and he brought it here today. We can finally show you what it looks like. You can kind of see the final image. That's like the last piece of this build or this wide body kit that's been missing from his car. Ooh, I'm excited. I'm at what?
Wing, everybody. we got a wing. Ooh, wing. Yeah. Just gotta put my proper hat on.
What?
I just gotta put my.
What was that?
I got my hat on, alright?
What?
We're ready for today. Oh, just kidding.
What?
Just kidding.
I wanted
You
to
have
see
put
it.
on.
How does it? Oh, yep, got it. Cool. Can we get a hardware check? Hardware check. Oh, nice. Bunk check. Should I show that and hose you? Or no?
I didn't do that.
No, I shouldn't.
I didn't do that.
Hmm.
How'd that happen?
How
How could I possibly do that? Last time I had it, you have to do
Cal, the moment I poke a hole into your wrap is the moment there's no turning back.
Don't do it.
So I'm doing it.
Don't do it.
I'm doing it.
Please.
I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm already doing it. It's already been done. I'm doing it. I don't know which hole it is, but I'm gonna guess. I think it's this one.
No! Stop!
I think that one.
Stop.
It's gotta be that one.
Smaller hole.
That one.
That one.
I almost scratched it.
You did it.
There's no going back now, mate. We decided to pull the car up because I think the painter's gonna be using that scissor lift. So, outdoor install.
We don't need. That's not why. The reason why.
We don't need.
TJ sprayed me with a mysterious fluid from a mysterious RX-7, and I smell terrible, and I need to air it out.
I found an old cologne out of Mickey's RX-7, and it's like a total dad cologne. Like, it's that musty, woody oak smell that like your dad used to wear when you were like 5 or 6 years old. That's the cologne it is, so I sprayed it on Calvin. Now he smells like my dad. Dad.
The thing is, I know what your dad smells like.
And it smells like that.
It smells like your dad.
RX-7 check. How's it going?
A lot of clay bar work needed to be done. We're making progress though. That half the car's done. Can't hear the paint when you rub your hand across it anymore. So that means we're making progress. Less crap on the paint means it's easier to clean.
It looks good. It still smells like crap. The interior, I really want to do a good job explaining this. The interior smells...
It's scummy.
You know what? It smells like if any of you have ever surfed or scuba dived, it smells like a wet wetsuit. It smells like a wetsuit that you literally used 4 days ago. And then you put it in your garage, and then you walk by it and you smell it.
It's a good old dirty gym bag.
That's literally what it smells like. A wet wetsuit. Oh, Calvin's over here breaking things. Yep, let me help you, Chief. Dad, I mean, Dad.
Every time you call me dad, they start calling me dad. You're terrible at that. I saw you at the end of that. Stop. You're not good. Oh,
I'll see you later, brother. I'll see you. Okay, I'll talk to you later, mate.
you're not funny.
Want me to help? Come on.
I'm trying. Yeah. Go. Yeah. No, do this one on this side first. The left side. Push it down.
No, wait.
Uh-oh.
I literally was like, don't go all the way down. Well, you're not even on. This man's is down and the wing's not even on the car. Why'd you go all the way down?
Uh-oh.
Well, we need to rip it off.
Nope. We're good. Just give me the tool. We're fucking sending it.
What? Wait, okay, to put this in perspective, we just took off this 3M tape, if you couldn't tell, and I was trying to line, yeah, it's super not on, man. Like, you need to push it more forward.
Okay. All right.
All right. Oh, it's still fucking off, bro.
Oh my god.
You need to look at it from the side.
TJ, help me. Don't laugh at me. Help me, man.
All right. You can't do that.
Oh no.
Dude.
Uh-oh.
Dude, that 3M is on there. It's so stuck.
Oh no.
It's so stuck. Oh. Okay. It's okay. We need to be more careful this time. We need to like...
All right. I'll be more careful. Usually I'm the careful one, but you know.
You've been slipping lately. Reposition this lip, and now we got the hardware in it, so now it's for certain not gonna come out. Looks really good. I really like this wing because it's like a... It's not like a whale tail, but it's more than like a duck bill. It's more aggressive than a duck bill, but not as big as a whale tail. It's a happy medium. I love the big wings, but I don't think that a big wing honestly belongs on the back of this car because I have one on the BRZ in there, and literally the light, again, you can't see inside. Wings are cool. but it really like overtakes a lot of the car. And I think keeping a duckbill / whale tail on this rather than a wing keeps it more subtle and keeps it more about the wide body, not so much about the wing.
It's a metallic plate. It's a pearlescent that they actually put in the thing. So instead of doing... Get the fuck out of here.
What?
It's so bad.
Dude, it's dad flavor. It's dad flavor.
It smells like 2002 in here now.
It smells great. I haven't been vlogging in a couple hours, and I always do it. So I get like caught away when doing RX-7 stuff, and the painters, oh, get out! And the painters are like getting the top of it, and it's kind of loud, but damn does it look sick. So I just like haven't picked up the camera, but oh, I can smell the cologne. I just literally, when I put this piece in, the rear end of the car, the RX-7, will be finished. Like entirely. I'm gonna show you that, and I'm gonna put this piece in. Take you into my cave. We're covering the car with this plastic sheet because I don't want any paint to like rain down on the car. Oh. Okay, all right, so bam. I know some of you are probably like, TJ, who cares, but this is a big moment.
What are you doing in the fort?
Just hanging out, dude. Just hanging out.
What's the password? Car Noir.
It's FD. Cool water. You can't be in the club unless you have an FD.
Curve.
So you don't a running FD, and that's, you know, some you don't.
We'll know tomorrow, won't we?
So this will go in. I just finished cleaning all the buckets. Missed a snap-on piece. Watch me break it as I put it in. Doing this one-handed is a bad idea. Hold on.
And that's where you keep your GQ cologne.
This is where I'm gonna put all my secret stash of things. Ooh. Alright, so now that's it. Now I'm gonna put in the carbon fiber little door steps, door sills, whatever you wanna call them, for the car. But yeah, this is awesome. I'm so hyped on this. I haven't even shown you the inside of that trunk, I don't think, so I gotta show you guys that. But one bucket empty for storage, the other bucket is the battery location. Dude, this car came out so clean. So hyped. This is still like, has a way to go, but holy crap.
Hey, are you ruining my vlog?
You're getting a good job on that. You don't vlog, Mickey. Alex, you're letting them eat this?
No, they're playing. Look at this. This is like the definition of brotherly love.
Hello, buddy. Oh my gosh. Yeah, man.
Yeah, Landon.
Oh my god. Connor, you just got fucking smacked.
Every night after we come home from the shop, well, when TJ gets home, but today I was with him, we come to this little dog park so the dogs can run around because, you know, we don't have a yard. Blue has a lot of energy, and typically the puppy's with us every single day just because he's so little, but Blue will spend time in the house while we're out, so we come here every night so Blue can run around and play. And typically there's no one here. It's like, I'd say an acre, but honestly I don't even know how much an acre is, like half an acre maybe, of like fenced in stuff. And Blue plays, and we bring Kona, and they're just the cutest little things ever. I'm gonna admit this right now. Kona likes TJ more. Kona likes TJ more. Oh my goodness. But Blue likes me more, so that's all I care about. I could do better. You have to get the legs straight.
For girls.
And I'm feeling low.